50-50 puck battle, and Tanger won it more than anybody else.
Marcus Johansson with speed right back up ice. Listen to Nedeljkovic. He's going to go for it. It's knocked down in midair. Oh, my gosh. The entire building rose up.
And I don't know who that was. If it was Boldy or Kaprizov, one of the Wild got their stick way up. I don't know if he jumped up in the air as Nedeljkovic went for it. He feels like, yeah, I had that baby. And what's this conversation for? Nedeljkovic felt like, oh man, I had the time, I had the leverage. You know, Nedeljkovic uses a real...
Reimer's got to go. Reimer going now. Ahead for Larkin, net empty for Detroit. Dostal, is he going to try for the empty net himself? He does. Dostal for the empty net. Oh, and just wide. It'll be an icing.
Oh my God, you believe this?
That's confident for Lukas. Dostal nearly had a goalie goal.
It's confidence, but it's a lot more than that in a bad way, Ken. His coach is looking like, what did you just try to do? Seriously? I don't care if it's modern day hockey or not. Oh my gosh. I mean, if this puck ends up in the Anaheim net, there'll be a lot of screaming going on.